Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy high-protein recipes that are perfect for beginners. These recipes are great if you're looking to build muscle, stay fuller for longer, or just eat healthier. Let's begin. Today we're cooking a delicious chicken stir-fry. Perfect for quick dinners, this meal is packed with flavors and nutrients. Let's dive in and whip up something fantastic together. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need chicken breast, bell peppers, broccoli, garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, and some fresh ginger. Simple ingredients, big flavors. Ready to get started? Begin by slicing the chicken breast into thin strips. This helps it cook quickly and absorb the flavors better. Next, mince the garlic and ginger. These will add a burst of aroma and taste. Heat a tablespoon of sesame oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the chicken strips. Cook until they're golden brown, about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. While the chicken is cooking, chop your bell peppers and broccoli into bite-sized pieces. The vibrant colors of these vegetables make the dish visually appealing and healthy. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add a bit more sesame oil if needed. Toss in the minced garlic and ginger, sautéing until fragrant, roughly 1 minute. Add the chopped bell peppers and broccoli to the pan. Stir-fry these veggies for about 3 to 5 minutes, maintaining their crispness. The high heat ensures they cook swiftly and evenly. Return the chicken to the pan, mixing it with the vegetables. Pour in the soy sauce, stirring everything together. This liquid gold is the secret to a savory, umami-packed dish. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Make sure the chicken is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender yet crisp. For a little kick, you can add a dash of red pepper flakes or a splash of rice vinegar. These optional ingredients can elevate the dish to new heights. Serve your chicken stir-fry over a bed of steamed rice or noodles. The grains will soak up the sauce, making every bite delightful. Garnish with sesame seeds or chopped green onions. This dish is incredibly versatile. You can swap the vegetables or add your favorites. Snow peas, carrots, or mushrooms all work wonderfully. Experiment to find your perfect blend. Chicken stir-fry is not only tasty, but also a quick meal. Perfect for busy weeknights or when you want something nutritious without spending hours in the kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it out and share your thoughts with us. As easy as that stir-fry was, we're not stopping there. Up next, we're switching gears to something a bit sweeter, but just as protein-packed. Let's dive into this simple and delicious Greek yogurt parfait that you can whip up in minutes. Discover the easiest way to a delicious, nutritious breakfast. This simple recipe will transform your mornings with minimal effort. Say goodbye to boring breakfasts and hello to a tasty, healthful start. Why choose Greek yogurt? It's packed with protein and probiotics that support digestive health. This creamy delight not only satisfies your taste buds, but also keeps you full longer. Here's what you'll need: Greek yogurt, granola, fresh fruits, and honey. These simple, wholesome ingredients come together to create a balanced and delicious parfait that's perfect for any time. Start by spooning Greek yogurt into a glass or bowl. This creamy base provides a rich, tangy flavor that pairs perfectly with the crunchy and sweet layers to come. Sprinkle a layer of crunchy granola over the yogurt. This adds a delightful texture contrast and enhances the overall flavor. Be generous, but not overwhelming, to maintain balance. Add a generous layer of your favorite fresh fruits. Choose seasonal options for the best taste and nutrition. Berries, bananas, and kiwi are excellent choices to brighten your parfait. Finish off with a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Honey not only adds a lovely touch of sweetness, but also complements the tangy yogurt and crunchy granola perfectly. For a perfect parfait, alternate layers of yogurt, granola, and fruit. This creates a visually appealing and deliciously balanced treat, ensuring every spoonful has a bit of everything. Choose low-fat Greek yogurt and unsweetened granola for a healthier option. This reduces unnecessary sugars and fats while still providing a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack. Mixing up your Greek yogurt parfait with nuts, seeds, or a splash of vanilla extract can add delightful variety. These extras bring additional textures and flavors, making each bite a new experience. Serving your Greek yogurt parfait immediately ensures the best texture and taste. The fresh fruits stay crisp, the granola remains crunchy, and the yogurt retains its creamy consistency, offering a delightful combination. For prepping ahead, store your Greek yogurt parfait in the fridge, but add the granola just before serving. This keeps the granola from getting soggy and ensures a perfect crunch. A single serving of Greek yogurt parfait offers a well-balanced mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. It's a nutritious option that keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. Make the parfait fun for kids by adding colorful berries and a dollop of whipped cream. The bright colors and sweet flavors make it an appealing and healthy breakfast option for young ones. Greek yogurt. Parfaits are quick, easy, and endlessly customizable. They cater to various tastes and dietary needs, making them a versatile option for anyone seeking a nutritious and tasty meal. Try this recipe and share your variations in the comments. That parfait looks amazing, right? Now let's balance it out with something savory for those quick lunches or snacks. This next recipe is a classic tuna salad wrap that's super easy and loaded with protein. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dish. In the next few seconds, you'll learn how to craft a quick and healthy meal. First, you'll need a can of tuna, drained. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of mayo. Add finely chopped celery, red onion, and a dash of salt and pepper. Now grab your favorite tortilla wrap. Spread the tuna mixture evenly on the tortilla. Add some crisp lettuce and juicy tomato slices. Roll it up tightly. There you have it, a perfect tuna salad wrap. It's easy, nutritious, and absolutely tasty. Give it a try for your next meal. And there you have it, 3 high-protein meals that are quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. Whether you're prepping meals for the week or just looking for something quick after a workout, these recipes have got you covered. See you in the next video. Please share, like, and subscribe.